If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Vivek and I'm a financially independent algo trader. This channel is all about building a community of algo traders. We discuss everything about algo trading using Python, building and backtesting trading strategies, market updates, and much more. Please do visit our community website, FabTrader.in. Also do check out my other YouTube channel, FabWealth, where I talk about my own financial independence journey and share tools, methods, and strategies that help me achieve my financial freedom. Thank you. Previously, I had uploaded this video about downloading NSE data from the new NSE website using Python. If you haven't watched this video, please do so. You might ask, there are already a number of Python packages that download NSE data, and do we really need another one? Right, well, there is a real need for it. I'll explain why. NSE, as you know, constantly update their website, and due to this, the API endpoints keep changing. However, most of the Python packages that you see on GitHub don't keep up with these updates. So either most of the packages stopped working already, or do not have all the functionalities that we normally look for. And that's the reason I thought I'll put this utility together. As part of my commitment towards this community, I'm not only going to keep the script updated with any changes to the NSE website, but I'll also keep enhancing it to include other new things in future. In this video, I'll talk about one of the recent enhancements I made to the utility, and it's all about fetching the corporate actions data from the NSE website. As you are aware, the corporate actions include bonus issues, stock splits, dividends, buybacks, and other things like that. For people who follow specific stocks, this information becomes very crucial in their decision making. Some even use it for sentiment analysis, and some for event-based trading strategies. So I'm hoping that this particular update will be useful to people who specifically look for this type of data. Let's now take a look at the Python implementation. It has two scripts. The first one is called the NSE utility py. This is the main utility Python script. This contains all the functions which does various downloads from NSE. All you need to do is just copy this entire file and then place this file within your source root. And now let's take a look at how to use this utility. So all you need to do is just import the NSE utility py as usual, and then you create an instance of the main class under NSE utility, which is NSE utility.NSE utils. So this becomes the instance. And then the usage is quite simple. All you need to do is just type NSE dot and then invoke the specific method, in this case, get corporate action. And then when you run the script, it gives you a pandas data frame containing all the information that you saw over on the NSE website. This is the There are some additional variations on how you could do it. For example, this downloads the entire data. I believe there's close to about 13 years worth of data on the NSE website. If you want specifically for a time period, you could use this filter function, which is you can give a starting date and an ending date, and then it'll download all corporate actions that happened within that time frame. And also, if you want specific data, for example, if you only need the bonus data, you could always do that by giving the argument filter and then type either bonus, dividend, split, or buyback, and it'll only download that type of data that you want. This is a wildcard search, so you can give any search term here, and then it'll return the rows that contain that particular search term. I'll be providing the link to this particular blog article in the description. This provides you a detailed account on how to use this functionality, including the source code, and then you can simply copy that and use it. I'll also provide you the link to the other main blog article that I wrote. This contained the full source code of the actual utility. So this is the NSE utility that I talked about. All you need to do is just copy this and save it as nsutility.py in your source directory, and then follow the rest of the instructions that I had already covered. So that's pretty much it for this video. I have a few more enhancements that I've done for this utility, which I'll be covering in the videos to come. I hope you like this. If there are any comments, feedbacks, or suggestions, please do leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. If you genuinely found this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I will see you soon in another video. And until then, take care and happy trading.